Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly higher on Tuesday, though gains are modest in most markets following the lackluster cues from Wall Street. Meanwhile, data released Tuesday showed that China's consumer inflation was in line with estimates. Consumer prices in China were up 1.8% on year in July, the National Bureau of Statistics said. That was in line with expectations and down from 1.9% in June. The Australian market is modestly higher, tracking the modest losses on Wall Street, and as investors digested mixed local corporate earnings results. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is adding 0.15%. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is higher against the US dollar despite soft Chinese trade data on Monday. In early trades Tuesday, the local unit was trading at 0.7634 US dollars, up from 0.7611 US dollars on Monday. Crude prices edged lower on Tuesday on continued worries over a global oil glut, and as investors took profits on gains of nearly 3% from the previous session, beating down upward momentum from a possible meeting of oil producers. NYMEX crude for September delivery was down 36 cents at 42.66 US dollars a barrel after closing up 1.22 US dollars or 2.9% on Monday. The US benchmark closed about 14% last month and is up 2.5% in August. An early test of post-Brexit recession risks for the UK arrives in today's GDP estimate with the National Institute of Economic Social Research. We'll also see new July numbers on sentiment for the US small business sector. US NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. Last week's upbeat news for payrolls in July has renewed faith in the US economy's capacity for growth, which in theory should boost sentiment in the small business sector. Economy.com's consensus forecast sees NFIB's index holding steady at 94.5 in July. Although the benchmark has posted a modest recovery in recent months, today's release looks set to remind the crowd that the small business sector's growth outlook is still modest at best. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.